just for... Yeah. Alright. And which one is the front and the back?
Front, back.
Okay, front, back. So
this isn't the team boat, so.
it's like removing a giant condom.
Yeah, that is definitely what we're all doing. We're like, oh god. Liz was having a lot of trouble. So, ours has a turtle and the Cascade one has a, not Cascade Women sticker, just a Cascade sticker. Yeah, because it could look like a Cascade boat. True. So we need to... You can put it down and step around if you like. Yeah. Over you, rudder. Close.
Yeah.
The two.
So the front one has a button.
One on each end.
On each end.
And the back one has 3 holes.
Okay. And the little button at the top, at the back.
Yeah.
One is more bent than the other, right?
They're both pretty bent, but you'll see the difference once they're in. They look different.
Okay.
They're both quite bent.
Yeah. But the
So
front
the
one...
holes is
yeah.
the back is the main difference.
Okay.
Okay.
The back is where the rudder is. This is a rudder.
So in the front, always do that. You put it in until it reaches here. I don't know if you want to come close up. Until it clicks, and you'll see that this is in an angle. This is the biggest difference between the old boat and
it's
the
not
new boat.
straight.
It's not straight.
Interesting.
Okay.
This is the
biggest difference.
Is the connections.
Yeah. The
Okay.
back one goes in relatively straight, same way. You put it in the hole until it clicks. Okay, and it hangs straight down. All right.
So normally...
All right. So the AMA has.
So the sticker has to be facing outward.
Yep. There is no sticker.
Yeah?
Oh, outward. Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that sticker. Yes. So it's facing the audience.
Yeah.
It's facing the.
You want to show off the sticker.
Yeah. And your AMA, your Yato, is coming in right at the front here. And you can see from this angle that it goes in on an angle, which is why this is angled.
Okay.
Because of that, you have to put the front one in before the back one.
Okay.
There's no other way of doing it.
There's no other way.
All right.
Are you filming?
I've been filming the whole time.
So just always, while you're here, you can remember to put the plug in. So you put the front Yato into the AMA. This is your third thing. You go 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
It's on an angle, and it has some play in there, so you can angle it till it fits into this hole properly. And I don't know if you want to come see how when you get it here, you just slide it in. There it is. And now the last one is the back on the AMA, and you see it has. I can move it.
Mm-hmm.
So I move it until come from back here.
From the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
So
with
there's
the
3 holes, and the safest is to have it on the lowest.
like
so
the most
that
stable.
The most stable is when it's really low. So this little thing here pulls. This you pull out to allow it to go in. Until it clicks. And you want it in the lowest position. So if I push it down all the way, and and then raise it, it clicks in. And
Okay.
you know it's in the lowest one. Then you place it down. And that's it. The only other thing is the plug on your hull. So there's a plug here and a plug here. AMA for the Club OC1. The front of the boat is here. It faces up a little bit. This is the front of the AMA. The Yato comes in from the side here. The boat would be there. And in the back of the AMA, the Yato comes in from the top. And so to figure out which one is the back and which one is the front, the back has an angle, so it comes in from the top, and this faces out where you see these knobs. And the front one is the other one, and it has a knob here and here. This one is the one that goes into the AMA because it's short. So when you put it in, it'll just stick out. It won't stick out. If you accidentally put it in this way, you will know it's wrong because this sticks out and looks stupid. All right, so it doesn't matter which order you put the Yatos into the AMA, but you have to put the Yatos into the AMA first, and then after they're attached, you put the Yatos into the boat. So you just put this down. You put it 1, 2, or 3. 3 would be the safest because it's lowest, so it's shorter. And put this one in here. There. And then when your boat is here, you put them in sort of at the same time. You put them in bit by bit until they click into the little clicks. Step over the AMA
Or the boat.
or the boat when it's on the ground.
Okay.
For carrying purposes, the safest place is to be in here, facing the back of the boat where you know that there's a rudder.
Okay.
You can see it. And you stand at the seat because the seat is the center of gravity. So it's going to be most balanced if you stand here. And you lift it onto one shoulder. And the AMA sits on the other side.
On your butt.
Sits on your thigh or, yeah.
I will move away. So the beach is the safest spot.
And the boat is allowed to sit on the rudder when nobody's sitting in the boat.
Okay.
So the weight of the boat on the rudder on a sandy beach is fine. And you leave a bit of the point on land so that you can grab your paddle and life jacket that should be already down here before you bring the boat.
Okay.
When you, before you get in the boat, you want to adjust the seat. Because once you're sitting in the seat, you can't pull the seat back and forth.
Unless you want to go overboard and...
Yeah, it really doesn't move.
Okay.
Not like the old seats that weren't attached. This seat is attached to the boat. It doesn't fall out when you tip. So it's on a little track, and it has a cord that you want to fasten once you've adjusted it. So if you're on a dock and the boat is next to you in the water and you want to sit on the dock, you could sit there and sort of measure your feet and your bum to see roughly how far it should go. But for most people, it's going to be quite close. And then you fasten it down here so that it doesn't move, although it's really not moving anywhere.
Okay. For your leg length, for example, is that a good length, or are you going to...
Yeah, I think I was a bit too close. I put it up as close as possible, and I was a bit close because
Okay.
you want your knees to be lower than your hips
Okay.
when they're even.
Okay.
Okay? And you push it all the way into the water before you go in.
So that it
The
floats.
rudder is off the ground, and there's a bit of space. Because once you sit in the boat, it's going to lower, and you don't want it to be hitting the ground.
Okay.
And that's it.
Awesome.
Out. Okay, first one. That's number 4. This is number 3. Take the plug out. We'll just do it completely in reverse. 2. Can you see enough?
Close enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just so you have to push this down lightly. Just get it out. Don't push down too hard. There you go. You put them all back. And, well, we know where they go.
Yep.
So the last thing is putting the boat back onto the rack. Hello. So again, always standing, picking it up where the seat is, putting it up on your shoulder. It's very light, but you do need to control it, especially if it's windy. Oh, I need to flip it over. I don't know if this is the best way to flip it over up high. Or flip it on the ground first.
Let's say we'll tell people to remember doing that beforehand.
And then I've been asked to count all of the possible spaces and the dimensions of the possible spaces. Count. Small, medium, large. And these, what's nice is we're technically supposed to...
Would you like someone else to be at the back? Okay.
I didn't take the plug out. I guess I need to go do that.
And the number of spots is going to change if we have big boats. Yeah. I don't technically. Yeah, so that's the...
Very close.
Yeah, pretty much. Agreed. Well, some of them are only attached copper bottom, so you can take them out. But that's about it. If you have a... Yeah.
And just because I didn't remember to,
You can't just
always
like...
check that the plug is
Oh, I want another inch.
so that the boat can breathe. So when the sun's hitting it and it's hot,
Okay.
you need to make sure this is out.
Oh, so it doesn't condensate?
No, so it doesn't expand.
Oh, okay.
It can actually explode.
Oh, great.
So when you're finished, you need to make sure this is hanging.
Okay.